Hi there, I'm going to be attempting to bake banana bread. I'm not a baker, but I'm going to leave all of the full recipe in the description box. Let's get into it. That's a lot of honey. Oh my god.
It's add into it. Add into
This coconut chips, can't remember it. Fingers crossed, still or still. Yeah, stop it. Water.
it. So it's the under that.
Water. It's still so hot. Wow. Oh, it came out so well. I don't know how I feel about it. It is so moist. So, guys, our sugarless banana bread is ready, and my family members have devoured the entire thing because it's so good. It's really moist. Imagine, making something as good as this with natural sweeteners. I used honey, raisins, and it came out really well. It's moist, it's nice. Um, the best part is it's sugarless.